Hello everyone, this is Pravina, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, St. Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women. Now we are discussing about soil. Soil, the term soil derived from the Latin word solum. The general soil refers to the loose surface of earth as distinguished from soil rocks. Soil can be defined as the mixture of inorganic and organic solid, air, water, and microorganisms. Type of soil: sandy soil, clay soil, lime soil, slate soil. Sandy soil is a type of soil that contains a higher proportion of sand and less clay. Sandy soil is light, dry, and warm that tends to be more acidic than other type of soil. Because the size of the sand particles is larger than other particles, they have low water capacity and nutrients. Clay soil. Clay soil is a type of soil that is comparatively heavy as it is higher water retain capacity and higher concentrations of nutrient. The soil is made of, uh, of cover 25% clay particles that are smaller in size and these hold a large amount of water. Clay soil drains water slowly and this takes longer to warm up in the summer without drying out. However, because it is a heavy and dense type of soil, it does not provide space for plant roots to flourish. Slate soil. Slate soil is a light soil with higher fertility rate with soil particles that are large than clay but smaller than sand. The soil is smooth and of fine quality that hold water better than the sandy soil. The soil can also be easily transported by moving current and it is found near water bodies. Slate soil is considered the best type of soil for agriculture and plant growth. Loam soil. Loam soil is a mixture of sand, slate, and clay soil that combines the properties of all three types of soil to make it more fertile. The soil has enough force as well as water retain capacity promote crop productions. The level of calcium and pH of loam soil is also of the appropriate amount due to the presence of inorganic matter. Next, soil structure. Soil formation and macroscopic composition in terms of soil profiles. Base composition in terms of soil, liquid, organic and gas phase present in soil mass. Solids composition and classification in terms of relative size of particles. Minerals composition in terms of basic element. Properties of soil: physical properties and chemical properties. Physical properties. Physical properties soil include the following: soil texture. Soil texture refer to the size of the soil particles that is depend on the relative proportions of mineral components like sand, slate, and clay. Soil texture is further influenced by the soil infiltration and water retention capacity. The texture of soil differ with soil types. Sandy soil feels gritty, slate feels smooth, and clay is sticky and moldable. Chemical properties. Cation exchange capacity. Cation exchange capacity is the maximum amount of total cations that a soil sample is capable of holding at a given pH. The cation exchange capacity of the soil taken as an indicator of soil fertility, nutrient retention, and the ability of soil to produce groundwater from cation. Soil pH. The reactivity of soil is expressed in terms of the soil pH, which determines the acidity and alkalinity of the soil. The measure of the hydrogen ion concentration in the aqueous solution soil range between 3.5 to 3.5 to 9.5. As usually, soil with high acidity contain high amount of aluminum and magnesium, and soil with higher alkalinity has a higher concentration of sodium carbonate. Role of water in plant growth. Water is a structural constant of plant cells, and it is maintains the cell form through pressure. When plenty of water available, cells and plants retain the structural actively growing plant, and it is constituent 85 to 90% of body weight of young plant and 20 to 50% are older mature plant. Water is a source of two essential elements, oxygen, hydrogen required for synthesis of carbohydrate during photosynthesis. Soil color. Soil color is determined primarily by the organic composition of the soil. Soil color is one of the factors that help in the protection of other soil characteristics within a soil profile. Observation of soil color is a qualitative means of measure organic iron oxide and the clay content of the soil. Soil pH. The reactivity of soil expressed in terms of the soil pH, which determines the acidity alkalinity of the soil. It is measure of the hydrogen ion concentration in the aqueous solution of soil, which range between 3.5 to 9.5. Actually, a soil with high acidity contain higher amount of aluminum and magnesium, and soil with higher alkalinity has a higher concentration sodium carbonate. In terms of soil fertility, agricultural production tends to be more acidic soil. Thank you to all.